Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will explain step by step how to change WordPress language after installation. If you haven't installed WordPress yet, check out how to install it. Though WordPress default language is English, you get to choose between 65 languages and more than 160 translations. But note that changing the WordPress site language only translates the dashboard language. To do so, log in to your WordPress dashboard and go to Settings, and then General. In the Site Language drop-down list, select the language you want to use, and then click Save. If you can't find the language you want to use, check the steps in the video how to install a language manually, which will include some coding knowledge if you do have it. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.